Righto, thank you very much.
Author and artist Clary Cameron, talking about his book Elephants in the Bush that was released earlier this year, speaking there with Judy Kennedy. That'll do. Bush Shelley for today. Tomorrow, you'll meet the crocodile named Stampy that lives inside a house and involves, likes cuddles, enjoys social situations, all the rest, an unusual crocodile. Northern Territory, those stories, that story, and more on Bush Shelley tomorrow. Here's it next.
National News with Nicole Bailey. Senior federal government ministers are giving mixed messages about the future of the car industry. Eliza Varela. There are strongly held and opposing views inside Cabinet about whether to offer the car industry another lifeline. Labor successfully used question time to expose them. When asked about the industry's future, the Treasurer Joe Hockey said while there's ongoing support for car makers in the budget, he thinks they need to help themselves.
The future of the car